How to fix 502 bad gateway error. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have the stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, and if not a Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to a cellular data as well. Next, launch the Play Store application on a device and make sure that you have the latest version of Google Chrome over here. Now, as you can see, there's no option of update, which means we have the latest version. After that, tap on Open and launch the Google Chrome, then tap on the three dotted lines and then tap on Settings. Then scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security, and then here you can see the option of Delete Browsing Data. So tap on Delete Browsing Data and tap on Delete Data. Tap on Delete again. After that, you can just go back, and next you can also tap and scroll and tap on Use Secure DNS, and you can choose another provider and make a custom URL or provider over here, and you can fix this issue. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.